Then back on the video today, I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfer. So let's get right into it. So first, I'm gonna go to me and buy something. Let's see what I can buy. Wait. No, I don't want to buy any boards. So actually, I'm trying to get this. Let me find it. This one. It's 12,000. I have 12,471, and I got this one. So let's start. I like how this guy can take off his head. Funny. Let's get that. Go down. Let's go. Okay, so there. Yay. Right there, this way. Okay, I think there's gonna be a tree up. I knew it. No! I died. So, I'll see you guys later.